Welcome to Beauty's Health Lab. If you're feeling constantly bloated, tired, or struggling with skin issues, the problem might be your gut. In this video, you'll learn 5 simple, natural steps to heal your gut and improve your overall health. No expensive supplements or extreme diets needed. Step 1. Eat more real, whole foods. Your gut bacteria thrive on fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains. These foods help good bacteria grow and support a balanced gut microbiome. Avoid highly processed meals. They often contain chemicals and preservatives that harm gut health. Step 2. Add fermented foods to your diet. Foods like yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha contain probiotics, beneficial bacteria that restore gut balance. Even small daily servings can help reduce bloating and support digestion. Step 3. Cut back on sugar and artificial sweeteners. High sugar intake feeds harmful gut bacteria, leading to imbalances. Artificial sweeteners may also disrupt your microbiome. Focus on natural sweeteners like honey or fruit when needed, and always in moderation. Step 4. Manage your stress levels. Chronic stress can damage your gut lining and trigger inflammation. Incorporate simple habits like daily walks, journaling, deep breathing, or meditation to calm your body and protect your gut. Step 5. Sleep and movement. Step 5. Prioritize quality sleep and regular movement. Lack of sleep and a sedentary lifestyle can negatively impact your gut health. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep and at least 20 minutes of gentle activity each day to keep your digestive system in balance. Smart use of probiotics. Bonus tip. Consider taking a probiotic supplement, but choose wisely. Not all probiotics are effective. It's best to consult a healthcare provider for personalized advice. To recap, eat real foods, enjoy fermented options, reduce sugar, manage stress, sleep well, and stay active. Thank you for watching Beauty's Health Lab. Subscribe for more natural health tips to help you